Hey there! A new day, a new discovery. You know, this is a piece of technology and by the CNET, one of the posting from October 11, 2005. Okay, 2005. Bam bam! This is a TomTom GO300. What else? it's a GPS device. You know, it's supposed to give us indication about ways, directions, streets, and so on. Well, I'm not sure if it's working. I can see here 2 gigabytes of card. I suppose it doesn't have a battery inside. What is this for? Don't touch. Okay, so it's in a pretty good shape. Oh, a little bit dirty. Okay, I can fix that. But and it cost in those times, you know, 2005 at least, like CNET is saying, around 700 USD. It's a lot of money. I can't believe it. Face the technology went so far in such a short period of time. It's 2005. It's like, 17 years ago to have something like this, it was a dream. 17 years, that's unbelievable. Now you just got your phone and you got all the directionals and everything you want, even restaurants and coffee and anything. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so this guy is coming with a cigarette adapter. I got it here. And because I don't have a 12 volts with a proper connection here, I'm just faking a 12 volt power supply. And apply it on the cigarette adapter here. Let me check that. We have to be sure about. Oh yeah, we have a green light already, but it's better to. Oh, only 8 volts. Okay, let's go a little bit higher. Let's go to 12 volts. All right, we got 12 volts. We have a green light there. Do you think it's working? I don't know anything about this guy here. We have a green light. Power on. What? Are you kidding me? It's working. It's working. Okay, so okay. Not anymore. What have I done? What do we have to do? Oh yes. Okay, so maybe it needs, because I have some contacts here. All right, so maybe it needs this okay, yeah, it's inserted. It shows me to insert the, yeah, I just put it in the SD card, but nothing. Is it a touch screen? I don't know. Okay, let's take the power off and let's attach this guy. Is there a way? Okay, maybe. No. Up here first. There we go. There we go. And what about the power supply? Oh yeah, we can have it here or here. Oh, let me have it. Power on. And that's it. No commands, anything. Except a nice lady here. Nothing, it seems to working. It's stuck. It's just stuck here. Let me try to get rid of this guy here. I believe the antenna, it's here in the support. Very possible. Starting up. Okay. Refer your installation poster. Okay, the TomTom starts displaying the navigation view. I got no navigation view. That should be a touch screen. Yes, I found. We got the bezel here. Okay, and then we can open it up from in there. Oh, this photo was irony or something with the hands right in the right position. Who knows? I don't know if it's a stock photo or the owner or somebody else just put it in. Oh, there should be another one here, but obviously we have a kind of seal and the seal is gone. Yeah, that was a seal. So it's looking like nobody opened it up before. Alright, so here we have a loudspeaker. Very nice. But that's not a loudspeaker, this is a really loudspeaker. Look there. Okay, so this should be the GPS antenna up here. Where is the battery? Let me see the battery. This is a hell of a loudspeaker. I wonder if this one can be used like a Bluetooth cabinet. I think so. Sorry, maybe I'm rude, but that's the way the things are running sometime. Okay, down there we have the battery. Oh man, look at this capacitor here. This one is absolutely a mess. You see that? Look at this guy, it's blowing up soon. It's like a bonbon. Okay, this aluminum foil is a kind of screen here. Very nice, we can have that later on. But so far, okay, it turns off. Alright. I'm pretty sure that capacitor there is a mess. And I'm afraid it is leaking. So it's very possible the board should be compromised or something. But we'll try to see what's happening. No, the board is pretty clean, at least here in this area. Okay, this aluminum foil, it's a kind of extra shield. Good idea. But I need to get rid of this one here. Alright. How can we, alright. There we go. Alright, the loudspeaker connection is right here. Look at this guy, this is really troubling me. Loudspeaker, you see, this is a really good one. 8 ohms, 3 watts, okay, good guy. And there we have the battery, down there. Okay, so we have this connection down here. Well, doesn't really bother me, but this one need to be replaced for sure. Minus down there, okay. Nothing. This one is kaput. It's so kaput. Absolutely yes. Let's try to find the replacement. 1515 volts. Okay, that's pretty close. That should be fine. Wait, the way it was there, you know, up in the air, it's not so professional, I may say. Even for 2005. There is no particular, you know, but maybe it's better this way, you know, for vibration and stuffs. Why that capacitor blew up? Maybe it was a heat, maybe it was. So we have the plus up here. Oh, come on. That should be okay. Okay. I think we can power up this way. Power supply. Is there anything here? Okay. Anything here like a reset? Okay, you got a reset there. Or anyway, SV1. What that means, I don't know. What's good doesn't start by itself. Alright, here we go. Okay, shall we put the card in? Oh no, that way. Charging. And that's it. push that. Okay, so this one turns the thing off. Okay, let's wait a little bit, maybe it needs to boot or something. Exactly what I thought, people. So I just let it do the mumbo jumbo, you know, so it needs some time to boot up and to do all the... There we go. Benvenuto. Italia. Alternati trova navigato menu principale San Marino. Okay, should be nice. I love San Marino. Punto di interesse Google. Longitudine, latitudine, indirizzo, punto di interesse, nave indietro, cambia di preferenze. Alright, una visione notturna, preferenze vocali, preferenze di sicurezza, volume, cambia basi, come si dice, simbolo d'automobile. Oh, should have... We even have music there. Account my TomTom. Cambia lingua. Okay, let's go to English, my dear friends. Agree, of course I am. Serena. What have I done? Okay, English, done. Yes, people. I think it's working. Navigate to, let's say, select the country. Let's put Romania. No matches found. Of course, Romania is not a country. Oh my God. It's funny. Navigate to 45. Oh, okay, it's saying, of course, I'm inside the house, and it's pretty isolated, radio isolated somehow. A lot of cement and bricks and stuffs. Okay, so yeah, it's looking like it's working. Nice toy. Now what I have to do is to put it back together and to have some tape like this, some aluminum tape back in place, and we'll see later. It's funny, but it's working. So I just got 4 satellites over there. So it's looking like it's working. I got 4 satellites here, and also it's getting the correct route. So far so good. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. I hope it's nice. I hope it's useful. It was just a funny Sunday project. And of course, like, subscribe, and don't forget to write. Have some fun. Bye bye.